Okay, so today we are going to look at number 1 on your Unit 3B test corrections. So the first problem says, the graph below represents a linear function. Which of the following equations represents the graph? So to do that, what we need to do is we need to find the equation of the graph. And if we remember, that's y equals mx plus b. So we want to put it in that form. And so we need to figure out what is m equal to and what is b equal to. Okay? And remember, m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. So let's look at this graph. So if we look at this graph, we can see that they already have 2 points for us. They have the point here, and they have a point here. So we have those 2 points that are already there for us. So if we look, the y-axis is here, and we want to know what the y-intercept is. So if we look, that point that falls right on the y-intercept is 5. Is 4. So if we go from 0, we go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So our y-intercept is at positive 4. So b is equal to 4. Now we need to figure out what is our m value. So we have to use those 2 points to help us figure out what the rise over the run is. So if we look at this, if we start at the point here and we move upward, we move up 1, 2, 3, 4 spots, and then we move over to the, we move over to the right 1, 2, 3 spots. So when we write our slope, we would write it as, because we're moving up 4, so it's a positive 4. So positive 4 over, we move to the right. The run is positive 3 because we're moving to the right. So it would be 4 over 3. So now we just have to go down here and look and see, okay, what is the correct answer? So we're looking for one that has a slope of 4 over 3 and a positive 4 y-intercept. So if I look at A, no, A has a 3 over 4. If I look at B, B has a 3 over 4, so that doesn't help us. That's not our slope. If I look at C and D, oh wait, okay, we have 4 over 3 as our slope. We have 4 over 3 as our slope. But I need to look for a positive 4 as our y-intercept. And if we look at that, it is D that has that positive slope. So our answer for number 1 is D. So now what you need to do, you need to try the you try problem and then put your answer in on the formative and go on to the next problem.